We've just done our pit stop for fuel and now we're heading onto the highway to go to the car show. We've just rocked up with the GT86, the RX-7 and the Supra. This R34 with the Z-Tune fender flares at the front, really nice. And we've got some supercars here as well. We've got a Lamborghini, got a GTR R35. This is Project 357's car. Absolutely sick. At the back we have a really cool spoiler. Sorry bro. Nice spoiler at the back, carbon fiber diffuser. Side with an X6M, we have a Porsche, a Bentley, Mercedes, and a very bright and colorful BMW.